Greetings, fellow YouTubers. I've always carried a Swiss Army knife, or at least for as long as I can remember. Just a small model. This one is called the Spartan. It's got a large blade, a small blade, plus that's the can opener. At the top here is a small screwdriver, and it will work in a Phillips head. On this side, you've got your screwdriver, bottle top remover, which until screw tops came in, this was very well used. And there's a wire stripper below. Now, as I said, I've had this for quite a long time, and see the blades have been sharpened and resharpened, but it's fairly easy to sharpen, and it's surgically sharp. Great blades. So at the back is corkscrew and an awl, both very useful items, and then toothpick and tweezers. So it's good size, good knife. I always thought with Swiss Army knives is to make one that you can make fire with, and there are other models which are bigger and they have a magnifying glass in, and providing you've got the right tinder with you, you can light a fire. But anyway, another company's come up with this other idea, and it's brilliant, I reckon. So you take out the toothpick and you replace it with, this is like a very small ferrocerium rod. They say it's much stronger than a ferrocerium rod and gives hotter sparks. Anyway, this fits into here. So you've got a little ferrocerium rod with you. Now you've got to be able to have a very sharp surface to use a ferrocerium rod, and you don't want to be using your knife blade. And on this model, I've sharpened up the bottom edge of the can opener, so it will make a good spark, like that. Okay, so I'm inside at the moment, but I'll just light something up, and then I'm in the back shed, but I'll chuck it outside. So just use a straight cotton wool ball. Tease it out a bit. There's no Vaseline in this one. And before I go further, I'll just mention the company. So it's Firefly. There's other YouTubes about this, including by Firefly. So go to YouTube and have a look up. Or it's tortoise gear. You can see down the bottom of this. Anyway, that's who to look it up, and it's just the bee's knees, I reckon. So I'll just light this up. There you go. So I better chuck it outside. It's wet out there, so that's fine. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.